Hi, I'm Alistair, founder and CEO of the Becoming Code. For years, I ignored my intuition. I overanalyzed, over-explained, and talked myself out of what I already knew. Dr. Joe Dispenza explains that intuition is simply your subconscious processing faster than logic. It's intelligence with memory. Every time you ignore it, you train your brain to doubt yourself. Every time you honor it, you reinforce self-trust. Here's how I learned to trust mine again. Notice your body's first signal. Intuition often speaks through sensation before words. Pause the noise. Your intuition can't compete with constant input. Reflect on accuracy. Track moments when your intuition was right. You'll start rebuilding trust. The more aligned you become, the quieter intuition has to shout. The Becoming Code teaches you that your highest guidance isn't external, it's internal. Your intuition doesn't need permission, it needs space. A reflection for today. When was the last time my intuition whispered and I ignored it? In summary, intuition isn't mystical, it's mastery. Comment below, what's one area where you'll trust your inner compass this week? Share this video with someone doubting their gut and subscribe for more from the Becoming Code.